trapped in my soul. Life without you is like a hell without fire or brimstone. It's cold as ice, frozen in time. The days are long and so dark, but the nights ain't that far. I can still hear the music, although you're long gone. And that tune will play on until the end. It will live inside me. If lightning guides me, I'll be there, so I can see the light. Baby, light struck when I saw you. Still, it hurts when you're gone. Music follows my soul. Thought when you left I would burn, and I did. But hell without fire is cold as ice. I still waited there frozen. Came winter, came fall. Hearing love in the distance, knowing why the girl left. Bet she caught a glimpse of what the end heralds for me. Will you ever realize you can't oppose? But I suppose there's always hope. I didn't want to leave you, always hoped you'd leave me first. And I bet I still got a while, but we both know what life guides. Bet I still got a while, I'm still stuck in the blues. And I don't want this to last my whole life, but God, did I love the time we walked in the garden, just you and I, and the sun sang with you. If dragging myself through the meadows means seeing you, that's what I'll do. Hope she'll realize she can't go home, 'cause I know